So let's get to the second part of our video where we create our app, and let's start by opening our Ubuntu. Once you open Ubuntu, just type code space dot. So you open your Visual Studio right in the Ubuntu root folder. Enter. So once you're here, you make sure you're connected to your WSL and go back here to client. Select your model you're gonna use for this. I'm gonna use Claude Opus, but you can use any free versions. Okay, done. Let's go back to my plan. So we're gonna create an AI power habit study tracker with Claude Opus and Visual Studio. Let's just send my commands. Just copy paste, and let's start this project right away. So once Visual Studio Cloud finish building your app, you're gonna follow the following steps. Go to your local browser and type this localhost port 3000, and you're gonna see your app. Here's the app with the entry fields, and then there's your get your weekly summary, and then we have some samples that we already predefined when we gave the instructions to the AI. So let's go get weekly summary, and boom, you got a problem here. So the reason why I got this problem is because I haven't entered the proper API key. So we're gonna create this key. For that, let's go to Cloud website. Copy this website. If you don't have an account, you have to create it. In my case, I have created it already. So let's get an API key. Let's call it Rutina API key. Create. and copy. Once you copy this, don't copy anything else, because otherwise it's gonna go away and you won't have it anymore. See, keep a record of API key, you won't be able to view it again. So you copy it and leave this open just in case. So now let's just go here, edit this file, and let's type it. This time let's type it. Okay. The reason why I typed everything instead of copied as usual is because I already copied the key and I don't want to lose it. So let's paste here. There you go. That's the key. Okay. Anthropic API key equals SK, so yeah, that's good. Just Control O to save, Enter, Control X to exit. And now let's run this command, which is to rebuild the app. Recreate the app. Your Rutina database healthy, Rutina app started. Let's go back to our local web, refresh, and let's get weekly summary. There you go. You can tell it's connected right now. So at this point, Claude managed to access our data, and we pass our data to Claude. You have logged 395 minutes across 6 solid sessions this week. This with math clearly your priority. You spent 270 minutes studying calculus and linear algebra, paying off. You are not says every day. Anyways, as you can see, this works nicely. And if you have learned anything from this, or you tackle any of the problems you had, just let me know and write something in the comments. Thank you.